guys, 87. Oh, ulubanzi yangiphusha. I'm at 87.1 kg. So, kakhulume nje ngeenyawo zami. Hi guys. Hi. Welcome back to my channel. For those who don't know me, my name is Ongezwa, but you can call me CT Mom because I'm a mother of 3 handsome boys. If you've been here, thank you so much for the love and support. Really appreciate it. To my new service, thank you so much for joining the family. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and please do not skip the ads when you watch my videos. Guys, I just finished shooting my Q&A, which I will post on Sunday, and I thought, let me not take off this week and dress. Let me almost start up a vlog that I'll post during the week. I'm not sure when exactly, but yeah. And you guys remember, I came back with this JC Leroux from the 10K celebration. One of my subby gifted me with it, so okay, girl. I don't know what we are celebrating, but it's a Friday. It's a Friday. I haven't had JC in how many years? I'm sure 20 years. Oh, it's been years. I don't even back then, I never used to be the one to buy JC, so I haven't had, it literally gonna feel like I'm having it for the first time. Okay, it's nice. I think mna into endingayifuniyo yinto yabo. But funny enough, I enjoy Corona, but I stopped drinking Corona because yenza umkhaba yatyebisa, like beer yatyebisa. So yeah, I prefer wine or so. Anyway, hi guys, hi, welcome back to my channel. So I don't even know about Gesenzani. All I know is that I'm opening a vlog. I'm done exporting the Q&A. I'm gonna post it privately until it's gonna go live Sunday morning. Let's start this vlog. I decided to look cute because I bought this dress at Shein. So yeah. Hey guys, that's vlogging. Tena ati strong nje JC. Tena ati strong. I'll have 1 glass or 2 and we'll call it a day. But anyway guys, I hope you're gonna enjoy this vlog. And yeah, I don't know what we are doing. Don't know what we are doing on this vlog, but we are vlogging and we're gonna have a vlog, definitely. We're gonna have a vlog. But yeah. So guys, to be honest, I'm homesick. I'm homesick. I miss home. I don't know. I'm homesick. And then about city life, ikuzela neengxaki ezininzi ngathi ungagoduka uyoshawa umoya udonsa amandla ekhaya uphinde ubuye. I'm really homesick, but we'll see ukuthi sigoduka nini. Let's start this vlog. Hi guys, hi, welcome back to another day of this vlog. Guys, today is a Sunday. I literally posted the Q&A yesterday on Saturday, and yeah, let's continue with the vlog. I'm currently going to fetch some dresses, 2 dresses that I made. I need to deliver them today, and then I'm supposed to go to a plaza, but now I don't think I'm gonna go because of Ulubanzi. So late wethu. Plaza Sunday and they close very early. So anyway, let me show you guys the pinifo because the guy said I must be there at 3 o'clock, and at least the person who ordered is here in Fourways, so I can just, I told her she doesn't have to send me the imali, delivery money, because she's here. I can literally like drive and meet her and give it to her. So she said she doesn't mind, so I'm gonna do that when I come back. But also I need to advertise this Pinifa today on my Instagram page, but you'll know we start here before we go to Instagram. So here is the Pinifa, guys. I have to move so that I make sure, guys. I feel like I'm losing my ass. I feel like I'm losing weight and I'm losing my ass, and I'm not happy with that. I don't want to lose my ass. I want to lose my legs. Like some of my fat on these legs must just go away. Oh, I love having this. So guys, I love everything about my body. I've said this, but I feel like with ulubanzi izitho zami ziyeza ngathi sifuthekile ngathi kuyoba zampompa. I don't like my legs anymore. I love having izitho, but not too big. Like izitho zami zinkulu, guys. But now namhlanje benithambisa, I was putting on lotion on my body, you know, and I'm rubbing my ass. I'm like, hey guys, why is my getting smaller? Oh guys, I don't want to lose my ass. I don't want to lose. Yeah, I don't want to lose my ass, and I'm so frustrated. But yeah, guys, here's a Pinifa. And another thing that I wanted to talk about, I was actually watching Auntie T's vlog, and she was talking about being demotivated, and I was like, yo, I feel the same. YouTube can be so demotivating sometimes, because the views and even the ones who are watching, they don't finish the vlog, and you're like, what am I doing wrong? One thing I've figured out, one thing I've figured out about YouTube is that ngathi ungaposta when something interesting is happening in your life, but it's so unfair for the people who come and show up for you when there's nothing happening in your life, like when you're just vlogging, showing your daily routines, and then there are those who only click the video when the caption is interesting, you know. Like, yo guys, YouTube is hard. YouTube is demotivating at times. I understand people who post once a month or twice a month, which I'll never do. I'll never be that girl. But yo guys, I just want to say as well, YouTube sometimes can be very demotivating. Also, my channel is growing so slow, you know. I'm like, how guys, now I reached my 10,000 in December, right? By January I would have gotten another 1,000, by February another 1,000, by March. That's how my channel was growing. Each and every month I would get 1,000 subscribers, and it's going so slow. I'm like, what is happening? But it's fine. Seasons are not the same. Sometimes the channel goes fast, sometimes the channel goes slow, sometimes people are interested in clicking your videos, sometimes they are not. It's just one of those things, but it is very demotivating. Like Auntie T said, it takes a lot of effort to create the video, edit, sleepless nights, even worse when you have a child, even worse when you have a young baby. Like I feel like it was even better when Lubanzi was very young, like couple of months old, because you know small babies, they sleep a lot. So I would work, but now he's a toddler. We are at that stage where he doesn't take a nap, he doesn't, you know, and when he sleeps around 9, which means I can only edit my video after 9, which means 10 I'm awake, 11 I'm awake, 12 I'm awake. Sometimes I sleep at 1 o'clock, only to get yo, YouTube is hard. YouTube is demotivating. YouTube is it's not an easy platform. It's not an easy platform. Obviously, our stories are not the same. Someone else might be saying something different, who probably started her channel in 2023, like me as well. You know, I don't know, but I for one can never sit and say YouTube is an easy platform. No, for me it's not, but we keep pushing. So I just wanted to share that. Yeah, I was watching her video and she did say she was feeling a bit demotivated, and I'm like, well, that's exactly how I'm feeling, because when you check the analytics, how the videos are performing, they're not doing great, and it also does affect the channel, because obviously YouTube is not gonna, it's not gonna push videos that people are not watching. They're already not interested with the ones that you are posting, so how are we gonna push it to the other people and stuff like that? But with all that being said, I am creating a vlog. I am gonna post it, even if it doesn't perform well, it's fine. For those who would for those who will be watching, I'm very grateful and very, very thankful for your support. Continue doing that. And yeah, I went home, guys, and stop yapping. Actually, it's still 1 o'clock. He said I must be there at 3. So I think I'm gonna stop yapping here, and then I'm gonna take videos and pictures for TikTok and what else? And Instagram, post there. And here is a penny for only 450. Guys, there's a lot happening in March, but I don't want to talk about it now until like it is confirmed and stuff like that. So that I think I might just have interesting vlogs after all. I wish I had money so I can just furniture my house, furniture. Every vlog, I bought this, I bought new couches, I bought carpet, I bought a new bed, yay! Guys, nothing much. Anyway, bye guys. Hi guys, so here I went to deliver the dresses. She wanted pinafores, but then when I saw that abantu abadala, like kakhulu, not like us, I said, can we just do dresses rather? But we're gonna use the same material that I use when I make pinafores. Because I just feel like I'm a pinifa, even if I had made them long, the way they are made, guys, I have I'm a pinifa, anobu sexy nyana. You know, so I was like, no, let's make dresses rather for abantu abadala so that they're more comfortable and bahlonipheke, man, you know, because abantu abadala, guys, you know, when I advertise pinafores, I always tell you, if you have a man, make it short, you know. I don't want to say naughty things, yeah, but you guys get the gist, to get what I'm saying. But I am so happy for the support. I really appreciate you guys for trusting me to ukuthi nginithungele guys lamaphinifa nezingubo, you know. And while I'm still starting this business and I'm still learning myself, but you guys put your trust in me with your monies and stuff, I really appreciate it. We had so much fun. Ulubanzi ke hayi niyamazi ka vepap ubesekhaya. So yeah, bye guys, I am done. Oh, the houses here, guys, they are so beautiful. The houses here, so beautiful. Oh, before you guys think, why am I delivering pinafores? Yes, I don't do delivery, but wait. Oh, guys, I was saying, I don't know if you guys remember Tando, the one who invited me to an event. Actually, Ulubanzi, if you've been here, there's this other event that I went to, Eyabantwana. So that is the Tando. So I didn't mind delivering it to her because I know her in person. Yeah, so I don't think I would have done it if it was someone I don't know, but I am comfortable delivering to someone. Hi guys, so I've added some things on my morning routine. And well, if you've been here, you know that I do have 2
cups of green tea with lemon on an empty stomach. But then now I've added these pills, the flat tummy toner with the collagen pills. But I didn't take the collagen pills this day. I only took those ones. Actually, I've just realized that if I take them, all of them the same day, I don't know why. So I've just decided to take these ones today, and the following day I take the other ones. And then I've added the collagen powder. This thing is so expensive. Like, I don't understand why is this thing so expensive. But anyway, asikho, I prefer taking it with water. I just feel like it's more effective if you take it with water than mixing it with smoothie sakho. I tried mixing it with a smoothie, and it just gave my smoothie a different taste, and which I didn't like. And then I was like, no, it's fine. I'll continue taking it with water. But I'm still complaining about the price. I mean, this thing was 300 rand and it's so small. And then the bigger ones that I wanted to buy, zihamba go 600, 700, 800. Powder 800 rand. Like, I don't understand. But anyway, guys, I don't have a choice. I have to. But anyway, let's continue with my morning routine. And then when I was done with everything, I started to exercise. I wanted to exercise with you guys and show you exactly what I do, but I couldn't do that because Ulubanzi was here. Ebela pamwam, and he saw the camera and he was like, it's not gonna be your part. But then anyway, guys, I continued exercising, and guys, now I can't wait till I see the results because guys, to exercise, you know what I've realized about exercising is that putting on your clothes and starting, like going to the gym. Well, I don't go to gym, I exercise in the house. But you know, when you haven't started it, kuba nzima. And then when you've started exercising, you start enjoying it. You know, I don't know if I'm the only one who feels like that. I drag myself to go change, put on my gym clothes and stuff like that. Like, but once I start to exercise, I actually love it. I enjoy exercising. I love gym. But yeah, bye.
Hi guys. Hi. Guys, I'm done exercising. I tried to exercise with you guys today, but Ulubanze said no, it's not happening because he was there with me. Yo, guys, I feel like when you start exercising, stop pushing yourself too much. Like 30 minutes, it's fine. 1 hour, it's fine. But Mina, who wants to see results now? And I've said this before, I am giving myself 2 years to see results. This year, I'm gonna continue gymming, exercising, doing whatever, but I am not expecting any results. But next year, end of next year even. So yeah, guys, I'm so tired. I haven't eaten anything, but I'm not hungry because, not that I'm not hungry, I'm trying to eat 1 meal a day. I'm no longer fasting, guys. I'm done with Jesus fasting. Now I'm fasting for my own benefits, for my body, and I'm trying to eat 1. If I can't push 1 meal a day, then I do 2. So it's after 12 now. I'm done exercising. I'm gonna go make myself a smoothie, and I know that smoothie is gonna push me until, let's say, around 2:30. Then I start being hungry, and then if I feel like I can't stand the hunger, like it's too much, then I eat. But if it's bearable, I can continue. Then I eat at 6, 1 meal. So yeah, I don't know how long I'm gonna do that, like how many weeks or months, it'll depend, guys. But I'm just trying to stick to 1 meal a day, guys. 1 meal a day. I just want to lose weight, guys. Exercising umkhulu is so hard. Like, exercising umkhulu, my body is so heavy on me. It is so heavy. Oh my god, it is so heavy. But But anyway, let's continue. Guys, yesterday I was saying I know Utando. I know her in person, which is why I didn't mind to go deliver. I actually have a pennifer that I need to deliver. Auntie T bought a pennifer for that lady who works at Woolies. So I need to deliver that pennifer for her. I think I'm gonna do it this week. Why didn't I do it this week? I think I forgot. No, I didn't forget. So yeah, I'm gonna deliver that pennifer this week, and that's it. That's it with me. Deliveries go, and then I'm gonna go back to Postnet. So anyway, guys, let's go. As you would swear ukuthi my wig lines, they are old because I'm but they're actually new. But yeah, guys, let me go make a smoothie and take a shower. Guys, let me make a smoothie, take a shower, exercising. Yo, guys, I should have started this a long time ago. Yo! Hi.
Love that, I don't mean I work hard. With music and my few funds. Families come and I knew that. Meaning I press next time. I know it's hard. 100 pound will sound bad. Not asking for the fun. So, grown up, it's so fun. I only wanna get any longer show to love. I only need a blood. Cause if you die any cash, I only wanna get any longer show to love. I only need a blood. Cause you could die any cash. You could die any cash. Any longer show to love. You could die any cash. Any longer show to love. You could die any cash. Any longer show to love. Ataka ni fake love. Any longer show to love. Bado nina wonder. Mimi nina wonder. What will it come true between us two? Even Shani had to. But me I believe too. Atakani na fake friends too. Real ones what I come through. I only wanna get any longer show to love. I only need a blood. Cause you could die any cash. I only wanna get any longer show to love. I only need a blood. Cause you could die any cash. You could die any cash. Any longer show to love. You could die any cash. Any longer show to love. You could die any cash. Any longer show to love. Ataka ni fake love. Any longer show to love. One love, one love, one love. Hey. Oh na 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 na. Yeah, crazy. Yeah. Don't boogie on the picture. Oh yeah. Any longer show to love.
So guys, I was cleaning my house, literally arranging things because I've just ngafaka izinto emakhabetheni ne last year when I moved in here. So while I was cleaning, I found this tray. I had forgotten about it, and all these other things, these they were inside the cupboards, like a lot of things, guys. I just washed these. I put them on the washing machine because they were dirty. If you've been here, you will remember this flower cardboard. I used to put it in my kitchen on top of my, if you've been here, you know where this used to stay, right? So I don't want to throw these away. So I decided to wash them. And yeah, I've put everything here. It kind of looks busy. I don't know. What do you guys think? Let me fix. Okay. Yeah, kind of looks busy, but this is how it looks. I need a big picture here so that it makes sense. It's empty, but busy here. I don't know, but I feel like once I get a picture, it's gonna make sense. Because I don't know where to put these trays. Like, I don't know. But yeah, thought I should show you guys. Let's take a bath. I don't know how I'm gonna do this because I really just wanna do a self-care day for me. But then we have this one. But anyway. Okay, come. There's also some. And practice bumakoti in the shooting content. Oh, Sana. Ngibisele apha namhlanje le train isixelele uba asoze ndiyisebenzise. Yeva? Ndayithi shwa leni.
Go with the take out.
Eh?
Namhlanje go with the take out.
Bendiyihlamba namhlanje ndiyiklina lam endiprekthiza ngalo.
Indoda yakhe.
Nali guys, ivisitor lam endiprekthiza ngalo.
Nefuna ukulikhulisa. Awuguqini. Akaguqini. It's my food.
Eh?
Khayibekele ongeza ndigqibele into endiyenzayo.
Nkosi yami.
Awuguqini ngamadolo futhi ndihlambe ke inyawo.
Ndizawusukumiswa ngubani? Ndizawusukunyiswa ngubani sisi? Yeah. Oh, ulubanze ndonse kulambile.
Oh, ufuna umfuzi.
Abangafuni ukuzibeka phela.
Hi guys, so unolu uphelelwe ugesi. Okay, we both didn't have electricity. Shame. Let me not lie. I woke up today, this morning, there was no electricity. And I thought, okay, it must be load shedding because I've been hearing a lot of people talking about load shedding. But then again, I remembered before moving here, I did ask about load shedding and they said we don't get load shedding. And the reason I was asking is because my previous apartment, we didn't have load shedding. So I don't know ezinjani indawo ezingabinayo load shedding, but some places, guys, really don't have load shedding, right? So I kind of like want to stay in a place that, okay, this is how we get load shedding in my previous apartment. If we have like stage, is it stage 4? Sendas Libanese stages. Like if you're in stage 4, then we get load shedding, right? Apparently even here it's something like that, but we don't get load shedding. So I've been hearing a lot of people talking about load shedding when I'm watching vlogs. So I thought today we were load shedded, only to find that it actually wasn't load shedding. It's a power outage in Fourways and North Riding. So but fortunately for me, the electricity came back around, I think 2 or 3. So she sent me WhatsApp, Ukuti, can she come charge and stuff like that. And yeah, that's why she was here. It was so beautiful. What a beautiful catch up. And I needed the visit. I told her not to be a stranger. And I also won't be a stranger. But guys, I'm one person who believes ukuthi umuntu ochatileyo iyahlonitshwa indlu yakhe. So I don't think I would want to visit unless mhlambe go busy and then she says no, you can come and stuff like that. But she is more welcome to come to my house because it's only me and my kids. So yeah, I thought I should just explain that part. So we're catching up, obviously talking about ladies things and mommy things. We are both mothers. One is married, one is not married. So yeah, and we're still gonna have that sit down video that we promised you guys. So yeah, bye.
Denza mna owena andazi but ndiyenza.
mandenzele apha. Yo, beautiful mntase. Yo. Ndingabhubha ndiva ukuthi isithandwa sami sibhubhe.
So when we were done catching up, we decided to take some content and make some green tea. We're not done catching up, we're still talking. But sana besiqoma masishoot content sizenze zonke ngexesha elinye.
You want to be butchy.
Ufuna uba bhushi. Alamantombazana ngiwathele eChina Mall alahlekile. Ha!
Hayi manithi lo manzi.
Ha!
Hayi.
Ekuthumeni.
Yaqeda.
Ekuthumeni. Oh wow.
Yazi ungandifakeli come ndizenzele isona. Because wena ngathi
Angathi uyayithenga. It smells amazing.
ne
Sure.
uyabona
It smells amazing. It smells amazing. Yabona nje. Yelibhalo. Uthenge blend. I'm definitely buying it.
ndazithenga ku-Instagram.
Blend. This.
Utsho le nto yokuthela?
Yeah.
Yes. Then
Instagram kuba ngoko.
kwenye page. Kakhulu ubheka ndifuna ukuqonda.
I-green tea.
Okay.
This is why.
Uphele. Hayi ndiyathenga mna baby kwa-Instagram. I don't mind.
Neyimali niyona.
Hayi ezi ndathenga 2. Zazingeyo-500. Hayi zitshiphu ezinto.
500 is cheap.
Ithi zikhona naseTakealot.
Zona ezikanje.
Andibloka ngapha.
Oh, actually mine is phambi kwethu.
Hayi bana azikho duru.
Yafalahlala.
Hayi ndiyathenga ngawa-Instagram.
It smells amazing.
Nale caramel is actually very nice. But ndithanda ivanilla.
Uyithenge
Ama-syrups ndawathenga at home. Why?
They paid at home.
Ndawathenga at home ama-syrup. Ndandingawafumani yonke indawo.
But you feel like I'm not paying.
Awufuni use wethu.
Mntase mina ndifake iswekile ngeke. I-aesthetic mayimi. Ngeke ndikwazi. Andivaswekile. And I understand and that inayi taste
Ine-taste.
and it smells good. Mari via practicality.
Yes, baby. Yes, she's pouring sugar. Putting sugar there.
I-practicality
Do
ayikho.
you want chips? Do you want chips?
Ndifuna ukwenza i-coffee station ndizenzelwe i-vibe. Azikwenzi stronga ke.
Intoni?
Ezikwenzi.
Inoba zikhona kha mna ndingumntu othanda into hayi ngeke ushukela ngeke ngikwazi inabo ubushukelanyana uyanixaka xa uthi awuva. Hayi andiyazi sana.
Andivali.
Awu
Andivali.
awuva nto. Cheers.
The late night beverages.
Ezabantu abadala.
Yes. Abachatileyo.
Anditshadanga mna. Hi, I'm single.
And ready to mingle.
Very much ready. Very much ready ke sana lwami. Yo Lubanzi uyangcola. Kakhulu. Someone asked ukuthi staying with a toddler is a deal breaker and it can never be.
Namgobuza ndiyamkhumbula xa ngendlela.
Asoze son. It can never be. Singavele izandla zika Lubanzi. It can never be a deal breaker. Ayivele to speak.
Sengicingela i-thumbnail ngikuxelela.
Ndiyayiqonda but background abenginaka ke mna.
Yeah?
Awuboni ukuthi intoni toothpick ayivele. Nesa siphithiphithi esiphaphansi.
Asikho mntana. I'll just make it bright. Kwenzekani?
Uthathe one.
Njanje umithe. Ngile ndiposta before. Did he see you late?
Oh, nenza kanjalo.
Yes. Did he see you later on the
Now
red
I
air?
know.
So nenze zimbi. There's some.
Say bye to the vlog.
Bye. Thank you for the electricity.
It's my pleasure. Uyabona uba kumnandi ukuthi sihlale eduzane.
Yabo. In and out.
In and out.
In and out. Kumele mna kuthi kudliwe klams.
But kuyafana ube uzosebenza njani ifoni izicimile. Bheka ngoku uzobabuyela neefoni ezigcweleyo.
Uyabona ne-laptop nima ndithi guys ngubani ofuna uchaja. Ifoni zigcwele zani nanti phone.
Naxa kanti sisi ugesi ungabuyi kusasa, feel free. You are literally 6 minutes away.
I'm up the road.
So xa izinga ziphelile, I'm here. I'm always in the house.
Guys, dasileliti.
Waphunga.
Relax. Oh. Indlu nansi guys. Ufuna ngathi uyateka izapha. Nefike umama khona, umanyini. Masithetha ngoYesu.
As in a stress. Guys, I've just changed. That corner was too busy for my liking. So I've changed it and I've put these flowers here and this tray here. I think this is much better, honestly. It was just way too busy for my liking. So yeah. These ones in this fagegui washing machine. Zabuyela, zaba clean. So yeah, this is how it looks. Then that round tray, I've put it here because honestly I don't know where I'm gonna put it. I just feel like, I don't know, I think it makes sense. It kind of matches with the black smeg block knife. So yeah guys, this is how my corner is looking like now. It does fit actually because of the black, you know, parts of black that I have in the kitchen. It really does match. Like, let me move a bit. I'm sure you guys can see what I'm talking about. So yeah, it actually looks nice. I don't know, please tell me what you guys think. Please tell me what you guys think.
I wrote you a symphony just to say how much you mean to me.